Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway in the final cleanup stages here in La Junta at the rail yard. The last container of pharmaceutical solvents getting cleaned up with no spill and no injuries, according to BNSF officials. Their cleanup going to wrap up this evening, maybe into the morning. Again, no injuries and no chemical spills at this small derailed train accident in La Junta. Burlington Northern Santa Fe finishing their cleanup overnight. For the people of Southeast Colorado, I'm Adrian Hart with your Southeast Colorado News.